Hello guys, I'm Asad Kaur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, this is our fifth lecture of AutoCAD 2021, and in this lecture we see the user interface of AutoCAD 2021. Before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest videos. AutoCAD can be used for 2D and 3D drafting and designing. AutoCAD can be used for architecture, structure, mechanical, electrical, environmental and manufacturing drawings, and also used for road and highway designs. To start AutoCAD 2021, double click the shortcut on your desktop that is created in installation process. AutoCAD will show the welcome window which look like the following. And in this part we see the get started, start a new drawing, open a recent file, open a sheet set, get more templates online, explore sample drawings that come with software. And this is our recent documents, and you can change its view to click here and here. This is the best view for you because it shows you the image, drawing name, drawing day, date and time. Now we start a new file or open any existing file which show you the interface of AutoCAD 2021. For now we open a new drawing. So this is our user interface, and here first we see the points of user interface. These are the points we can see in our user interface of AutoCAD 2021. Application menu, navigation bar, quick access toolbar, UCS icon, title bar, command line, ribbon, drawing area and cursor, info center, viewport control, start tab, status bar, file tab, and model and layout tab, and the view queue. So these are the points we can discuss in the user interface of AutoCAD 2021. Now our first point is application menu. This is our application menu. Application menu contains file related commands like create new drawing, open existing file, save current file as new name or in a different folder, export the current drawing in different format, PDF, DWF and DGN. You can publish your drawing from here, and you can also print your drawing from here. These are the drawing utilities, and you can close your current drawing and all drawing from here. Now we see the recent documents option. This is the recent documents as we show in the startup menu or in the welcome screen. This is adjusted by the order list. You can change it by date, by size and by type, and you can change it view from here, large icon, and you can also change the image, small image and the large image. By default you can set it on small icon, and you can exit from AutoCAD from here by clicking this. This is the option menu which is discussed in the later videos. So this is our application menu. Now we discuss the quick access toolbar. This is our quick access toolbar. This toolbar contains all files commands mentioned in the application menu with undo and redo. User can customize this toolbar by clicking the arrow at the end. User can add and remove commands from here by clicking. If I want to add a plot preview, then I click, it's shown in the quick access toolbar. If I click again, it will be removed. So this is our quick access toolbar. Now our third point is ribbon. Ribbon consists of two parts, tabs and panels. These are the tabs: Home tab, Insert tab, Annotate tab, View tab, Manage tab and Express tool tabs. These are the tabs. And panel, these are the panels: Draw, Modify, Annotation, Layer, Block, Properties. These are the panels of Home tab. And some panels have more buttons as shown here. Look like this. These are the more options in Modify panel. So this is a complete ribbon of Home tab, which include tab and panels. Now we see the Info Center. Info Center is the place to access help topics online and offline. We don't use it now. Now the title bar. This is the title bar. Title bar contains the AutoCAD name and the title of your drawing with its path. If I save this drawing, and I save it, it shows drawing name and full path. So this is our title bar. Now we see the Start tab. Start tab, when you click on Start tab at any moment, you will get the welcome screen again. Look like this. If I click, I will get the welcome screen. You can open new drawing, recent drawing, etc. So this is our Start tab. Now we will discuss the File tab. You can see File tab for each open drawing and its color is gray. You can change it from View tab. Click on View, and you can change it from View tab. Click on View, Interface panel and click on File tab. If you click, then File tab is removed. If you want to get it again, click on File tab. You get your File tab for each drawings you opened. So guys, this is our File tab. Now we discuss the View cube. This is our View cube, and View cube is in the upper right corner of the drawing area. View cube is basically used for navigating three-dimensional drawing. You can move it anti-clockwise and clockwise. By clicking this, you can see your three-dimensional drawing. So this is our View cube. Now we see the navigation bar, and beneath the View cube you find the navigation bar. Navigation bar you can use for zooming and seeing the three-dimensional drawings. We can see in our later videos. Now we see the UCS icon. UCS means User Coordinate System, found at lower left corner of the drawing area, and it's shown positive coordinate X, Y and Z. Now this is our command line, and command line is located by default along the bottom edge of the drawing area. It shows a history of previous action as well as summary of current actions. Like if I pop up, it shown the window, a complete recent actions of our drawings. Now we discuss the drawing area and cursor. The blank middle section of the screen is called the drawing area. This is an infinite plane. Crosshair or cursor, as it's shown in AutoCAD, allows you to navigate the drawing area to precisely compose your design. Now we see the viewport control. This is our viewport control, and this is displayed in the upper left corner of the drawing area. Viewport control provide a quick way to change the current view, visual style, or viewport configurations, like top if you want to see bottom, if you want to see right side, and if you want to see isometric view also, southwest, northeast, and northwest. For 2D drafting, we set it on top view. So this is our viewport control, and from here we can change its visual style. Visual style can be used in 3-dimensional or 3D drawing. When we make it 3D, then we use it in the later videos. Now we discuss the status bar. Status bar display at the bottom right corner of the drawing area, and tools located on status bar are helping you to draw and to control user interface. We discuss status bar in detail in our later videos. Now we discuss the model and layout tab. AutoCAD drawing have one model tab and any number of layout tab which can be customized. In general, model tab show your design, which is here, and layout tab represent the piece of paper used to document a design. From here you can print, you can make your PDF on scale, and in model tab you can make your drawing. So guys, this is our user interface for AutoCAD 2021. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below section. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.